48 years old. I worked here in Hong Kong for 18 years. And in Singapore, I worked 4 years. And the first employer, I take care of 2 children, age 6 and 3 years old. Then after that, I work in next employer is I work 10 years for them. I take care again 2 children, 3 years old and 7 years old. And then the present employer now, I work with them only 7 months. I start to work with them last July.